Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. Today I'm going to be making oatmeal pancakes. This is a very healthy and at the same time very easy recipe option for my pancake lovers. In fact, it's my go-to breakfast option. If you're anything like me and you find it difficult eating pancakes made with regular flour, this recipe is for you, I can assure you. Please stick around to the end of this video. And before we proceed, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn on that post notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Like, I'm super excited to show you guys how I accomplish this recipe option. So please stick around, and without further ado, let's get to work.